Champions do things differently. Champions enlist the help of other people. Champions realize that it's much easier to move forward when you have a team than it is by trying to do everything on your own. As a matter of fact, you can get so much more done when you have the right team that you're working with. I have two major goals in my life right now. One is to take my business to the next level so that we can impact more people. So one of the first things that I did was start looking for a group or someone who could help me. So I wound up hiring a coach, wound up getting a team that had a successful system, a successful plan that would help me accomplish my goals. So what did I do? I tapped into somebody else's success for my success. I'm also training for 9th degree Gukiwang training. Now in the Taekwondo world, that is the top of the top. There's no higher certification that you can get. And I'm the only American female that has ever even attempted this. As far as I know, there aren't even any females, period, that have done this. But here's the thing, I needed a team. So I have a team that's working with me, that's helping me to be accountable to them. When I get up in the morning, I think about these two things. How can I improve my business, and what can I do to accomplish my 9th Dan Gukiwang training? So I keep that in the forefront of my mind and make myself accountable to other people and have people on my team that know more than I do and that will help me to get where I want to go. So regardless of what you're doing in your life, whether it's raising children, developing your career, or going out for sports, tap into the wisdom, the experience, and the joy of having other people on your team who will help you, encourage you, and take you to that next place as a champion. Remember, champions do things different. We need other people.